Hello my friends, let's model something we love on SelfCAD. I think that no one doesn't love minions. So we will model and print a minion character using SelfCAD Online. Let's have a look on what we are going to model. But to model any object using SelfCAD, we need to first know the parts of it. Let's see how many parts we have here. The body of the minion, and it almost has the shape of a capsule. The glasses, and has two parts, the main part which is the eyes and the glasses on them, and the second part which is the circular part around the head. The mouth that we can create easily with Boolean tool, the two arms with the hands, clothes of the minion, legs and shoes. So to model the minion, we need to model every part of those parts to get the final product, which is the minion. So let's start modeling. So to get the model that we will use in our course, log into SelfCAD and open the editor and click on My Mini Factory. Click on Connect to My Mini Factory. If you have an account, you can log in with your username and password, or you can log in with your Facebook account. And if you don't have an account, you would create an account by clicking on Register. After that, insert your email, username, password, and full name, and click on Registration. After that, you can log in with your account you have just created. Click on Allow. Now, you can use My Mini Factory inside SelfCAD. You can browse objects by category, or to get to a specific object, search. Here, in our case, we need to search for a minion character to model it. So I will type minion and click on search. Scroll down for more objects. And here we are, the model that we need to add to SelfCAD. Click on download icon to add model to the scene. Select it and move it to the origin point. And rotate it 90 degrees on the X dimension. Get Scale tool and make it a little bigger, and move it beside the origin point, where we will learn how to create and model the minion character. So, let's start modeling the character by modeling the first part of it, which is the capsule shape of the body. To create a capsule shape, we need to create a sphere. So, click on Sphere Shape in Basic Shapes bar. To transform it into a capsule shape, get Cube Selection tool. Cube Selection tool allows you to select a percentage of the object from any dimension left or right, and top or bottom, and front or back, and they work together to provide you the exact selection you want. I really find that cool way of selection. But in our case, we need to select half of the bottom or top. So, if we have here the value of 100, we need to type 50 to get the exact half of the object. When you are done with selection, click on Finalize icon, but we need to select the upper part of the sphere. So, we need to inverse selection. So from Region Selection, choose Inverse Selection. Now, we are done with selection. Get Move tool and drag the upper part of the sphere up to the shape of the capsule. Here, we have the shape we want. Let's start to edit and add more details to it. And that's what we're going to do in the next lecture. Let's go.